We're here in Massachusetts, where, as you see, a storm is about to come. We're driving. I'm going to put on my hat because the storm is coming. We're coming into a big red storm. Oh, here it comes! Here it comes! Oh, hold on here! Hold on here! Here it comes! So we're in the middle of the storm. I can barely see to drive. Conditions are terrible. There's some type of something that's going onto the roof. We don't know what it is, but it's trying to get in. It's some type of red blob type monster. But this storm has been predicted for quite a while, and we can't see anything. As you can see, the foam coming up, and whatever this kind of thing is that's come out of the sky, it's kind of, visibility is 0%. We're hoping we can make it through here, because I can see some sunshine on the other side, but we don't know it. We're okay, don't worry. The rain is coming down. The rain is torrential downpours. But I see a clearing. I see a clearing ahead. And I think we're going to make it through. Now we got some torrential winds. Hear the wind. You can hear the wind. If you can hear that wind, it's raising up the windshield wipers. Well, I think if we just make it through this wind, we're going to be all right. That's it for Massachusetts. Thank you.